In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Hotspot Shield VPN app not working. If the app is no longer working, maybe it keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, or it can't open at all, then let me show you how you can fix this problem. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot this app. In the first method, go ahead and long press your app to access the app info page. From this, choose app info option, or if you can't see app info, you should see settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on it to access Hotspot Shield VPN app info page. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, we want first to clear the app data, and if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data used by this app. Of importance is this cache data. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your Hotspot Shield VPN app normally gathers and stores to enhance user experience whenever you use it. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause your VPN to malfunction. To fix this, go to clear data down below and choose clear cache, and finally OK. As you can see, our cache data and some of our user data has been cleared, and now the total data is much lesser. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and now open your Hotspot Shield VPN app, and in most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. However, if you still have another issue, then you might want to come again to app info. This time around, go again to clear data, and this time around, choose the first option, clear all data, and finally OK. At this point, you'll need to log in afresh to your account for you to use it. However, if this second method doesn't work, then head to the third method, and that is to look for any update for this app through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store, search for my app, and then look out for any update. Should you find any update, go ahead and update it to the latest version. Now, by updating this app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. And maybe if your app was not being supported because you are using the older version, this should be able to fix your issue. However, should you still experience a challenge such as the app keeps on crashing, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall this app totally and then install it afresh. This is more important because your app might be malfunctioning due to bugs. So if you uninstall and install it afresh, you'll be able to fix these bugs. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.